Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. So today I'm back to show you how to do the granny triangle or half granny square. So this can be considered as half granny square or granny triangle, as you wish. I have made two different ways of achieving the granny triangle, so I'll leave you with the rest of the video without further ado. So for the first way, I'm using medium acrylic yarn number 4, and this is from my leftover yarns, and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. Okay, I'm gonna chain 2, and again in the same chain I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. I'm gonna chain 1 and 1 double crochet. So basically what I've done, I made a chain 4, which is basically similar to 1 double crochet plus 1, which is the space. Okay, and then 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, all in the loop or the first chain. Now what I'm gonna do, chain 2, chain 3. You can chain 2 as well if you want a neater and shorter and straighter line here. But now I'm gonna chain 3. In this space, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. In this corner, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. In the last chain 1 space, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. I'm gonna chain 1 and add 1 double crochet. Chain 3, in the space 3 double crochet. In the next space 3 double crochet, in the next corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, all in the corner. In the next space 3 double crochet, and in the last space, which is between the 3 double crochet and the last double crochet, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. I'm gonna chain 1 and 1 double crochet. So this is the first version. I'm gonna show you the next one. Again, medium acrylic yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna make a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4 again. I'm gonna chain 4, 2 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. So 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same chain. Okay. Now I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna make in the first chain 2 double crochet. In the corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. In the last chain over here, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. That's how it is so far. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna chain 3 and again in the same stitch 2 double crochet. In the space, the small space, 3 double crochet. In the corner, always 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And in the last stitch, which is from the cluster, 3 double crochet cluster, again 3 double crochet. And you continue the same throughout the work. Of course, you'll find both of the patterns linked in the description box, so you know what to do. Okay, so you know exactly how to follow, and these are the different ways. Both they will have a straight line, but they look slightly different. You choose whichever is easier for you, whichever you like. I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.